Did you know that one of the main sources of protein in the body does not come from diet at all? Today we're going to talk about endogenous protein recycling. Your body actually has a system that recycles some of your own tissues. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is Gary Carlson, a health researcher in full-time practice in physical therapy, and I love cool health stuff. So today we're talking about protein recycling in the body. Endogenous proteins, or those that are already part of the body's tissues, are actually a larger supply of protein in the gut than what we consume in food. Some of these protein sources include mucus, digestive enzymes, microbes inhabiting the gut microflora, and the breakdown and replacement of the gut lining itself. We effectively recycle and consume our own digestive tract. In fact, these proteins from our own body make up more than 50% of our daily protein requirements. So unless you're experiencing starvation or only eating candy and soda, it would be almost impossible to not get enough protein no matter what your diet is. As long as you are consuming sufficient calories of a variety of nutritious foods, your protein needs are going to be met. So proteins, which are the building blocks of life, are essential for numerous bodily functions, including cellular repair, enzymes, hormone production, and immune responses. And while we do need to obtain the 9 essential amino acids in our diet, the human body has a remarkable ability to recycle its own proteins, ensuring that our needs are met efficiently. In fact, we recycle and regenerate many of our own tissues and organs, including our digestive tract. The cells that line the digestive tract, known as epithelial cells, have a relatively short lifespan and are constantly being replaced once they are damaged or have reached the end of their lifespan. This turnover of cells ensures that the digestive tract stays healthy and can effectively carry out its functions. This recycling process begins in the small intestine, where a specialized population of stem cells resides in the base of the intestinal crypts, eventually developing into mature cells. And once these new cells reach the surface of the digestive tract, they become fully functional and are responsible for absorbing nutrients from the food we eat and secreting digestive enzymes. But over time, these cells become aged and damaged and need to be replaced. To recycle these aged cells, a process known as apoptosis comes into play. Apoptosis is controlled cell death, and it allows the body to eliminate damaged cells. In the case of the digestive tract, the aged cells at the surface continually undergo apoptosis. They're shed off and partially recycled. Proteins are made up of amino acids linked together in chains, and the recycling process starts with the breakdown of these chains. Some of these amino acids may be used immediately by the cell to synthesize new proteins through a process known as protein biosynthesis, while other freed amino acids may be transported out of the cell to be used elsewhere in the body. And still others might be converted into other compounds or metabolized for energy through various biochemical pathways. And the liver also plays a critical role by converting some amino acids into urea for excretion in the urine. This not only helps in ridding the body of excess nitrogen, but also balances the pool of amino acids circulating throughout the body. Our system conserves resources by extensively reusing its molecular components, while continually renovating itself at a cellular level. It's a testament to nature's economy and our biological ingenuity. This ability of the body to recycle its own digestive tract ensures our proper functioning and plays a vital role in maintaining overall health. So the last thing you really need to worry about is getting enough protein. Thanks for watching. Be well.